Sigma Design Company is a trusted one-stop design and build resource for engineering, manufacturing, and development of specialty equipment and engineered systems. Our creative skills include ideation, concept development and analysis, material selection, complex mechanism development, and rapid prototyping. We offer advanced engineering analysis to provide insights into product behavior, visualizing deflections, stress, heat transfer, and fluid flow profiles, facilitating early flaw detection and resolution. We specialize in industrial equipment and electronic assemblies, offering comprehensive turnkey services ranging from project management, offering a comprehensive package that includes fabrication, manufacturing, testing, and shipping. Our product development services include new product development, machine design, CAD drawings, stress transfer and flow analysis, geometric tolerances evaluation, 3D modeling, and patent support. We excel in machinery and electromechanical development, including test systems, controls, assembly line machinery, and pharmaceutical equipment. Our creative and dependable solutions encompass or integrate objective creativity, engineering analysis, hands-on design skills, reduced design cycles, and problem solving. At Sigma Design, we provide electrical control panel building services meeting UL 508A standards, board-level layout and assembly and welding services certified by ASME and AWS. Capabilities include fabrication, assembly, startup, and operational testing for machines, along with precision CNC machining including milling, drilling, and turning of metal, plastic parts, and assemblies. We provide turnkey products and equipment, utilizing manufacturing expertise in our 20,000 square foot facility, offering design from scratch and build-to-print services. We deliver assembly cells, heavy fixtures, automated machinery, and more, ensuring stringent quality control across design, engineering, and manufacturing. We provide build-to-print services for clients with completed designs, closely adhering to specifications to products as provided. Contact us today to turn your ideas into product solutions on time and on budget.